What's up? The 1B here, and I'm going to be doing some more video editing, or at the very least, adding a ending, end screen for YouTube to a video. This will be for um, me playing through Witcher, The Witcher. 1B plays The Witcher. And then we'll say it's not a part of an episode. We'll just say random clip. And then I've already created a folder here. You can kind of see I'm in video editing, the Witcher playthrough clip right here. Select the folder. Then we're going to go ahead and say click OK. The file name cannot contain any of the following characters. What did I do? Oh yeah, because I was doing it for YouTube. So we'll do that. Click OK. I keep doing that. I keep forgetting to save my workspace, but we'll do that later. Maybe I'll make a video out of it. So I need to know what file name is. File name is 01182020. Oh, it should be the very first one then, eh? Oh, no. Fourth one. 01182020. I don't know how long this is. Maybe an hour. File not responding. That's because my computer's going to be working. If this takes too long, I'll probably time-lapse this part. Not bad. It's an hour and 6 minutes. I don't know how much, not how much. I don't know if there's any gaps in there or anything. So we'll take a quick look through it before I slap the end screen on it and call it a day. We're going to drag it into the timeline. And it looks like I may have had. Did I have somebody in here chatting with me? Let's unlink. So this one can be muted. Let's just take a listen. I think just some of it's them being the stupidest thing.
I wish I had some biscuits. No biscuits to go on to me. Travesty. I'm gonna have a piece of toast too. I'll be right back.
Alright. That audio is crackly. Oh, it's the fire. That's so annoying. Okay.
Thomas. Oh, he's running in there. Little 12-year-old again. Mental.
I googled my own name, and I found all these YouTube videos from ages ago. Most are not mine.
That's like me. Like that's I googled a couple of names that my mates used to play years ago.
So that's where red is trapped in cold.
Red's entrapped. This is Robot of you.
I
So,
don't know what that is, but that's funny. I
so
don't know what that is, but that's funny.
So it's Minecraft. Red's down in a little dungeon space in the castle we built, and there's a secret button you push to get out, and he cannot find it, and he's been stuck down this hole for the last 5 minutes. So I guess the Soren turned on his recording, and he started recording it. You just see Red down the hole.
there's a way to get out of this hole here, apparently, with some buttons and levers, but I don't know it.
There's just so much. And I'm not really saying anything. Oh, I know what the problem is here. I want to be perfect at things, but at the same time, I also want to be efficient at doing them. So there's like I'm trying to get all these videos out, and I'm trying to get them out because there's so many of them. I want to get them out fast, but at the same time, I gotta be good too. So there's a balance there where I'm trying to make it the process as efficient as I can without degrading quality as much as possible. What was that?
We all played a little bit of the first Condemned Plankton.
You gotta just take the conversation out of this altogether. Played a little bit of squad earlier. There's a couple guys in my Discord that have been playing it a lot. And because of, the holidays are over, the guys that I play PUBG with, they're doing overtime this weekend, and one of the other guys is on vacation somewhere, and so nobody's really playing because it's in between the season, and so I was just taking the opportunity to play with some guys that I don't normally get to play with, because I do like squad, and let's get rid of that track. My track always goes up 15 to 15. Then I think I do like, that's game audio. For game audio, I think I do like -2. And then for other people's audio, I do like -10 for Discord. There's a big loud spot in here, right? So what we want to do is we want to see what around here maybe.
If you kill the golem, you'll be able to make a rare potion requiring his heart. Here's the formula. Tree can only be woken if it's near the tower, which it is, and by using a lightning rod.
A lightning rod?
The drawing depicts a man in a...
Maybe I just cut their conversation from there to there.
Vasca helped me locate the Tower Tarot card. Wake the sentry. Let's see this card. Interesting. Much depends on interpretation, but I think I understand. Alchemists find it easier to understand other alchemists. Enlighten me. The sentry can only be woken if it's near the tower, which it is, and by using a lightning rod. A lightning rod? The drawing depicts a man.
Okay. Right here, maybe.
I had that feeling.
When you have everything, attach the lightning rod to the sentry.
Oh no, it was here.
Energy from the lightning bolt will revive.
Right here. I don't know what that is, but that's funny.
So it's Minecraft. I'm Googling it. I Googled my own name.
You googled your own name.
And I found all these YouTube videos from ages ago.
I might even turn them down even more. Minus 15. Let's see what that sounds like. Oh no. Control Z. In there.
I don't know about.
I don't know what that is, but that's funny.
So it's Minecraft.
I could probably even go lower with them. Minus. What if I do minus 25? I don't know what that is, but that's funny.
So it's Minecraft. Red's down in a little dungeon.
Maybe 20. A little too quiet. You want to be able to hear them at least a little bit. Yeah, I just don't want it to overpower everything else.
Okay. Apparently everybody finds using that there's a secret I don't know about.
I don't know what that is, but that's funny. Alright, I can handle it. And from here, I can handle it all. We have a lot to sell. They're not as loud now. Hardly at all. Yeah, bedtime. 3:39 a.m.
Yeah, I could understand that.
Oh.
3:39 a.m. Yeah, I could understand that.
Alright, so that was a little bit longer of a process. I probably could have been a little more choosy on my audio editing. You know, maybe dropping the audio here and not so much across the whole board. But I think that was as far as... I typically don't hang out and play single-player games in Discord. So I think this is a good balance. And it's just kind of me playing through it. Yeah, I don't know. There's some... At least there wasn't me complaining at all. I've been complaining a bunch with it lately. I'm not happy with the Witcher one, but we'll get to that at some point once I finish. And then we'll export the media. You always have to have the timeline selected, which is a weird thing. We don't want that. We don't. Witcher playthrough. We'll call it the 1B plays The Witcher. 1B plays The Witcher. Clip. Shadow reality chatter in BG. What if I call it Tavern Vibe featuring Shadow Reality? Tavern Vibe featuring Shadow Reality. Even though you can barely hear them. I don't know. We'll figure it out once I get to it. But anyway, save. Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. And don't forget Infamous version 1. Save. Queue up. Adobe Media Encoder incoming. I have 9 hours of audio from Shadow Reality. And 9 hours of video. Some of it mostly like me doing creative stuff, but like I'm like in a channel with them chatting and trying to find out what they want to do with it. Somebody wants me just to chop it up and just output the audio, which I don't care, like if that's all they want. But I'm gonna maybe I should just do that. Maybe I should just output the audio and then time lapse the creative work. It's just 3 hours, and my hopes was that I could like just upload it and unlist it to them and have them listen to it. And if they didn't like think anything needed to be edited out of it, then I would just let it be public from there. But I don't know. We'll see. For now, this is going to get queued up to render, and then I'm going to... What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. I think I'm going to go put the kids to bed and maybe do a little more video editing once they're asleep. Yeah. All right, everybody. I'll talk to you later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.